welcome to my channel. So today I have a review on the Nature's Truth Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So if you want to know what I have to say about this product, then continue watching. I do use hyaluronic acid serums on my clients when I do facials, but I saw this brand and I decided that I was going to try it out on myself and see how it works. So when you look at it, it reminds you of olive oil, right? But it's actually like water based. So yeah, you're going to see that when I put it on my hand, it's going to easily run through my fingers. So I do 2 pumps of this in the mornings and 2 pumps in the night before I go to sleep, and I just rub it on my face, and also I rub it on my neck and on my ears because we need to soften everywhere. A lot of people forget to moisturize their lips as well. And I'm going to use my lip gloss. I bought this from Glossy Divine Cosmetics on IG. And this is a bomb-ass lip gloss because I do my nighttime test. And what that is, I put it on before I go to my bed. And once I wake up with it on my lip and my lip feels moisturized and smooth, then it's a bomb-ass lip gloss. So, yeah. Go ahead and check her out on IG. And you can order a lip gloss or 2. She has different ones, different flavors. So onto my skin, I'm going to do a close-up. And I'm just showing you guys, like, I do have 1 and 2 pimples because it's my time of the month. But besides from that, I don't really have bumps on my face. I do have like blackheads and whiteheads. And I squeeze them. Yeah, they say don't squeeze the bumps, but I squeeze them. And that's why I have my little dark spots, because I do squeeze my bumps. But listen to the professionals and don't squeeze, but I'm going to squeeze mine. And while I do my review, I'm going to do my makeup for y'all. Alright, so I'm going to go on what the box says. The box says softening plus toning. Each drop of our professional hyaluronic acid serum helps to soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So I think I have fine lines and wrinkles so far in my lifetime, but this is going to help with future fine lines and wrinkles. Yeah, so each drop works to replenish, moisturize, and help soften the skin for a long-lasting hydration. My skin was extremely dry before I started to use this product, and right now you can't even find a dry patch on my skin, not even a tops a dry on my skin. This moisture bonded lightweight serum helps to refresh dry, dehydrated skin. I just said it, my skin was extra dry, extremely dry, and this helped me out so much. Even though I said I squeeze my bumps and I'm not supposed to squeeze them, at first they were a bit hard to come out, but since I start using this, them come out so easy, so fast, so I don't get to like damage my skin much when I'm squeezing them. You hear me say, listen to the professionals and don't squeeze your bumps. But okay, it says it's paraben free, petroleum free, gluten free, artificial fragrance free, silicone free, and mineral oil free. Y'all, this is a super good product. On a need for go buy it, on a need for try it, on a need for see. If you have dry skin, definitely go and buy it. It's a little bit pricey, but it works. It works. So thank you guys for watching, and you'll see me in my next video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Bye.